Just a little ahead of the Banalari workshop and before reaching waste dumping area Martin, take a left turn. This is the road that takes you to the southern part of Umiam Lake Reservoir. It's a 20-minute journey from here to reach the reservoir.
I am looking for the better days. Seem like they just stay away.
Wow, the place looks beautiful. It's all greenery because it's the month of May, so because of a little bit of rain also in the past few days, that's why it's all green. See, the road condition is good. It's not very bad, though it's small because this was constructed way back in the past, so it was small and the width is small, hardly 8 to 10 feet, but it's one of the best road where you can drive. It's quite silent. The place is quite secluded because it's located quite in the very remote area, because no habitation here, because it's on the western side. You don't get sunrise in the morning. This is the Martin area. It's fencing has been provided so that the waste which have been stored there on top do not flow back down. So this the government has spent money on this. This is also the gate. See, the road looks nice. We are traveling in a scooty, a little jerking, but overall the road is good.
Cause now I'm feeling like a fool again, thinking I can fool myself by telling me lies, when there's so many things that I keep in my mind. I hang around people I don't even like. If they can be happy and walk with a smile, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears.
While going down, we are not meeting anybody, any vehicle, so the place is quite it's like that wrong turn movie, so it's quite silent, but it's good to come here sometimes. But I advise people not to come here alone, because the place may not be safe, because people usually when they come here after drinking, they may disturb you. But it's good that if you come in a group, like 2-3 people can come. Not advisable to come alone, because you may get disappeared, because nowadays so many people they just disappear like that, so it's always good to come with somebody. Wow, this is very nice. It's like a kind of a trekking, but if you come on foot, maybe it will take you more than 1 hour to walk from Banalari to reach this Umiam Lake. Wow, people should come and explore this. It's because it's very near from Shillong. It's not that far. Big trees are also there, because people, they don't actually cut these. It belongs to forest department, I guess. See, they're driving quite fast. And the way they have constructed the road also, it has crossed more than 50 years, but still quite intact. The road condition is not that bad. There is no houses also on the roadside. No construction activities going on. So you can see the rotten trees once they fell down because of wind or rain. Nobody would come and collect. This is the viewpoint. I think the tourism department must have constructed that for tourists, but very few tourists would come to this place. Usually they come at this time just to see the part of the reservoir which is now open because of because of low water level, where you can see, which we'll be seeing when we go down.
There will be a time. There will be a time. There will be Sitting lonely in my room again, acting like I'm innocent. Why do I try? Cause now I'm feeling like a fool again, thinking I can fool myself by telling me lies. When there's so many things that I keep in my mind, I hang around people I don't even like. If they can be happy and walk with a smile, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight. Cause there will be a time, oh, 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 oh. There will be a time, oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. That I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight. Cause there will be a time. Sitting lonely in my room again, trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out. I am looking for the better days, seem like they just stay away whenever I try. There's so many things that I keep in my mind. My friends keep me out and it hurts every time. With all the emotions I built up inside, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight. Cause there will be a time, oh, 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 oh. There will be a time, oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Sitting lonely in my room again, acting like I'm innocent. Why do I try? Cause now I'm feeling like a fool again, thinking I can fool myself by telling me lies. When there's so many things that I keep in my mind, I hang around people I don't even like. If they can be happy and walk with a smile, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight. Cause there will be a time, oh, 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 oh. There will be a time, oh, 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 oh. There will be a time.
part, that is a little bit view of the river. So now it has gone very much down. Otherwise, you will see all water, but now because of low level, mostly every year this has happened. When you come at this time, you will see that the water has been very much down, because of which also there is load shedding, because not sufficient generation from here. Actually nowadays they are not even generating from here. Whatever part that we are getting, it's from Leshka or from this we buy from the market.
Trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out. I am looking for the better days, seem like they just stay away whenever I try. There's so many things that I keep in my mind. My friends keep me out and it hurts every time. With all the emotions I built up inside, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh.
We are almost there. Yes. We are reaching the main part of the what we call the damsait Umiam lake. This is the lake. Actually it starts from here. When the water is full up to this point, where the scooty is standing, up to this point the water is, the level reaches up to this point. But now because of less water, we are able to drive down. So let's go down. It looks very nice, less vegetation. The road condition is still good, because half of the year is covered underwater. Not much vegetation, because it's all covered inside in water during when the monsoon starts. Wow, the condition of the road, look at this, looks beautiful. Oh, let's go down. It's a red soil. Actually there are so many people coming. Today is Saturday, that's why, because this is the only time that you can come. If you come after 2-3 months, you may not be able to see this road. Looks like villages there up front, but this is how we will just be watching. This is the road that goes and through the water, but oh wow, great, so many vehicles are also reaching. Oh, let's go up. Basically this is all covered. When there is water, you will not be able to see this. Even this small hill also is covered. It's a little muddy, but difficult all the climb. Today there is no rain, that's why we are able to climb up. Looks good. That means this reservoir is quite huge, because you can imagine that if we take a look around, see, it's quite huge. Even up to this point also the water level reaches. Even this is not seen when the water is full. So people actually enjoy the view of this. See, so many people are there. Some of them they come for sightseeing, some of them they come for fishing. This is also one of the best place to actually come for camping. You can stay here for a night or 2 nights, whatever, because usually people travel all the way to Dauki just for camping. They can come here during this time. Oh, we are enjoying the view. Kibun ki plang ki berang syumi kini ki arbanai lai benai kini ke jaka te ka I long kendau sao bha ka I biang dawan sakai minget malek camping namar seru sedau ki ru teng dengan lej kani le ka dan jan ka surok ru ka biang wala ka rit ru ndai ka surok ka itnat ka bha itnat na ngi lej sawa ade ga he bak tak le ru ade ibang haban kwai ru adu angi tak dang ikut ko dan plang dan yu namar dap ko di tenat cha oh he tak le ru kibun ha kibaya kibri